Item today we are discussing about the SAP TRM correspondence. What is use of the correspondence in SAP TRM? I will share the screen and we can see like how to create the correspondence and how to use that correspondence in SAP TRM. You can see first of all what is the correspondence. Correspondence is you can see like a repeat official communication document automatically generated by system for financial transaction. Like when you created any deal, you need some specific information like you need that what is the deal number, okay, and there are specific prerequisites, okay. Those things we can update in the correspondence level. You can see here like a trade confirmation, deal summary, interest statements, account notice, like that. You can say correspondent simple term automatic financial communication document. Like how will you send that communication document? I will show you. Proof of the deal confirmation between company and the counterparty. Communication for payment, interest, maturity means what is use of the correspondence? Like when you want to get like a payment information or interest information, maturity information, like who created deal and those information you need. So that purpose and SAP given the correspondent activity in SAP TRM. Whenever you create the or update financial deal transaction manager, such as a money market deal, bond, purchase, forward transaction, like that. Okay. There are the correspondence level we can do like spot forms, develop and adopt forms. Okay. Like that communications we can update it with the technical team. Okay. Like we need to do some and smart forms, adopt forms that will be created with the basis team. Okay, as per the business requirement we can update it. But and the standard procedure I will show you, I will share the screen and we can see. For example, you can see here previous I have used it for the fixed term deposit. Okay, I will create one more correspondence. You can see, just I will open, just wait, I will take it. Yeah, go SPRO reference IMG and financial supply chain and treasury risk management, transaction manager, general setting. There are the correspondents. In the correspondents we have all the different type of the settings, like do you have any interface, mean like any thought about to like you want to get from and external system to internal system, those configuration we can do. But in here and the standard procedure I will show you the correspondent activities. You can see here correspondent activities, they are updated with the money market, foreign exchange, derivatives, securities, trade finance. Example, we can take the money market. Just I will create the one correspondent. So this is my company code. Just I will go and I will update product category like money market related. Just I will come here like example, you can see with like like deposit commercial paper. Just we can take the commercial paper product category and I have created the commercial paper. You can see commercial paper. Otherwise, I will show you commercial paper and transaction type. When you are purchasing, like for example, we are commercial paper, we are purchasing, there is a activity category, like that activity category, when should be correspondent execute, like during the contact or contact settlement level. For example, we can take like when we will create the contact and we can say, just I will give the contact level and who is the responsibility, like counterparty or depository bank, guarantor, internal and issuer. Just example, we can take the counterparty. Correspondence class, which correspondence class? This is related to money market. Okay. Just an correspondent to money market and the internal receipt. Who is the receiver? Like when you execute, when you create a deal, some specific person need to create that information. Like for example, we can take department head office. Okay, just have saved. Now I have created the corresponding standard. Okay, when you want to design for and the customization, then you need to check with the technical team, like basis team, they will develop smart forms, okay, adopt forms, okay, and you have to design according to business requirement. This is a standard procedure. Now I will create the one deal. Go to FTR underscore create. Here you can see, just I will give product type is the commercial paper. This is product type is a commercial paper. Just I will take here. I have created, right? Just you can take commercial paper and transaction type is purchase. When like we are purchasing, for example, commercial paper we are purchasing, like this is a business partner. Just I will take here, and you can go here. I will update. For example, this is amount and date is 28/10/2025 to 31st December 2025, and 5% is as the interest rate. Okay, example I am taking. Just I will take here as a money market and general valuation class short term investment and others flow, and no need, and you can update the bank details here, like can update bank details. Next outflow also you can update, and we can see, go to cash flow, and here is a nominal interest position indicator we can take. Like example, I'm taking as a position. This is one, and money market. Okay, money market. Just I will go back. Just I will save. Just to go back, and I will try to save like a correspondent. Just I will check. Go to correspondent. What is showing here automatically? Like a department office, and this is a correspondence class and counterparty and money market. Okay, so like this, and we have to send to department head office. Like so, department head office they will get like this. Like this is a business partner, and this is a counterparty. Okay, this is a commercial paper, and this is a product type, and this is a transaction type. When we are creating the contact, during that time he will get that correspondent based on the requirement. Okay, this way we have to create. Just to go back, and then just I will save this one. Just I will create here, like you can see, this is created 117. Okay. Now I will go to FTR underscore edit and 117. Just click on this one. Here also you will get like a correspondent trade repository not required. Same information. You can see like what is showing here, like here, and like a commercial paper. Okay. Next purchase and contract settlement activity transaction. Okay. This information we will get like a department head office. Okay, this way how to do in the standard procedure. When you need adapter and the smart pumps development, so then you need to connect with the basis team. They have the, and the basis team they will create the adapter pumps or smart pumps. Or if a basic team is not doing, then we can connect with the above team. They will also do these things. Okay, so how to do like this in the SAP TRM correspondent activities in the standard level. Okay.